Monday, let your doors open. In the name of Jesus. Tuesday, your doors open. In the name of Jesus. Wednesday, your doors open. Thursday, your doors open. Friday, your doors open. And Saturday, may you testify. In the name of Jesus. I command, you will see the hand of the Lord. In every situation you face this week, the Lord shall come through for you. The Lord shall come through for you. He will not leave you alone. He will stand for you. The God who stood for Moses, he will stand for you. The God who stood for Elijah, he will stand for you. The God who stood for Hannah, he will stand for you. The God who answered Esther, he will answer you. The God who answered Sarah, he will answer you. In the name of Jesus. No matter how long it took you, I want to say congratulations. 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 In the name of Jesus. Clap for Jesus.